Welcome to the enchanting village of Hallstatt, a hidden gem tucked away amidst the breathtaking Austrian Alps. With its picturesque landscapes, charming architecture, and rich history, Hallstatt has earned its reputation as one of the most beautiful villages in the world. Let's embark on a virtual journey and discover the allure of this fairy tale-like destination. Hallstatt is a dream destination for nature lovers. Surrounded by towering mountains, lush forests, and a serene lake, this alpine village boasts awe-inspiring natural beauty at every turn. The reflective waters of Lake Hallstatt perfectly mirror the stunning scenery, creating postcard-worthy views that will leave you speechless. Immerse yourself in the tranquil ambience as you stroll along the lake's shore or embark on a boat ride to fully appreciate the captivating surroundings. The architecture of Hallstatt is nothing short of magical. The village showcases a blend of traditional Austrian design and captivating alpine elements, making it a visual feast for visitors. Wander through the narrow cobblestone streets lined with colorful houses adorned with blooming flower boxes, and you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Don't miss the iconic Hallstatt Skywalk, a spectacular viewing platform that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the village and the surrounding mountains. Hallstatt is steeped in history that dates back over 7,000 years. The village is renowned for its rich salt mining heritage, which has shaped its cultural identity throughout the centuries. Explore the ancient salt mine, where you can learn about the fascinating history of salt extraction and even slide down a miner's chute. Visit the Hallstatt Museum to delve deeper into the region's past, discovering archaeological artifacts and unraveling the mysteries of the prehistoric Hallstatt culture. In addition to its natural beauty and historical significance, Hallstatt offers a range of unique attractions that make it a truly unforgettable destination. Marvel at the Hallstatt Ossuary, a small chapel adorned with intricately decorated skulls and bones, showcasing the region's ancient burial traditions. Take a leisurely stroll through the charming market square, browse local boutiques, and indulge in traditional Austrian cuisine at cozy cafes and restaurants. Don't forget to capture the mesmerizing beauty of Hallstatt at every corner to create lasting memories. For those seeking adventure, Hallstatt provides an ideal playground. Explore the nearby Dockstein Ice Cave, an extraordinary underground world of ice formations that will leave you in awe. Hike through the stunning alpine trails, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and enjoy panoramic vistas that will take your breath away. During winter, Hallstatt transforms into a winter wonderland, inviting visitors to engage in activities such as skiing, snowboarding, and ice skating. Hallstatt is a destination that seems too beautiful to be real, yet it exists as a testament to the wonders of nature and human ingenuity. Whether you are captivated by its natural landscapes, enchanted by its fairy tale-like charm, or intrigued by its rich history, Hallstatt offers an immersive experience that will leave a lasting impression. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey to this alpine paradise, where dreams become a reality and where memories are made to be cherished forever.